Hello, my name is Edouard Archimbaud. I am the CTO and co-founder of Kili Technology. We started in September 2018. It started more than 10 years ago when I was in class préparatoire. I was studying with a lot of people that were, from my opinion, much smarter than myself. So I got fascinated by intelligence, and in parallel I was fond of technology. And so I merged both topics, and I read a lot of books on how we could use computer science to recreate something that would act as a brain. And then at the end of my university, I did a specialization in machine learning, and I decided to work in this topic because I was seeing how impactful it could be in our lives. Today, AI is spreading across many industries, bringing a lot of productivity, but there is one big pain point, one strong bottleneck, which is that when you want to do AI, in fact, AI is made of two components. The first one is code, is the algorithm, but it's not the bottleneck because you can find a lot of state-of-the-art machine learning frameworks on GitHub, open source. And the second one, the second building block of AI is data. And the data, so there is a lot of data, thanks to the digitalization, and companies have a lot of data, but this data is not structured, so you cannot use it to train machine learning. And so to be able to do it, you need to go through a step of annotation, of data labeling, which is very complicated. There are two challenges. You have to annotate fast, and you have to be able to control the quality of the annotation. Because at the end of the day, the performance of your machine learning algorithm is directly related to the quality of your data. And so at Kili Technology, we provide the most comprehensive, the most robust, and the most intelligent data annotation platform. Today, we are a leader on our market. So our first challenge is on the front end. Our users manipulate a lot of data, so millions of assets, so millions of documents, can be either a video, an image, an audio, or a text document. So there is a lot of versatility, and we need to be able to display those assets to the user and also to make them interact seamlessly with the document. So to be able to annotate entities on a PDF document, to be able to identify objects with bounding boxes, with points at the pixel level on images, and same on video. And so when you want to do it seamlessly, you have to be very fast because speed, when it comes to annotation, is a key value that we bring to our user. And so there is a challenge in the performance of the front end and in the architecture of the front end, so to make things, combination between those different interfaces and annotation types compatible. The second challenge is on machine learning. We embed machine learning models to help annotators in the tool. And so for this, we work with leading academics on interactive segmentation model, superpixel models, tracking models. And it's a hot topic on our side. A third challenge would be on DevOps. Kili is available both on SaaS, so on the web, and on-premise. And so we want to make it easily downloadable. And so we have a lot of challenge to do this in terms of DevOps and even possibly open source the tool. And last but not least, we want the tool, so Kili, to be deeply integrated in the ecosystem with MLOps frameworks, such as DVC for data versioning, such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and stuff like this for machine learning training, such as tools such as MLflow or Kubeflow for orchestration. And so this is also a big topic on our roadmap. So we are looking for smart and creative engineers. And what you're gonna to find within Kili is first of all to be part of an amazing adventure. You will see your company grow from 20 to 30 people to a $1 billion company. The second thing is you will find a talented team of very smart people. I don't count myself in this category. And you will learn a lot with them. Every week we have training. You will have a personal coach within the team that will help you to grow and to learn. And you will join a fully transparent company where you will have access to all the information and where decisions are taken not top-down but bottom-up to be sure at every step to take the most intelligent decision. And one example is every 2 months we meet all together, so full company, in an off-site to tackle the most important and the most urgent challenges of the company.